Are you ready to start your day with positivity and joy? Welcome to a journey of self-discovery where we will uncover the power of morning affirmations. These are positive statements, carefully crafted and repeated to oneself, with the aim of shifting your mindset and setting a positive tone for the day. Imagine waking up, and the first thing you do is speak words of affirmation to yourself, words that have the power to shape your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your life. These affirmations are like seeds. When sown into the fertile soil of your mind, they have the potential to grow into beautiful realities, creating a life of joy, fulfillment, and positivity. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity, yet their impact is profound. So, if you're ready to transform your mornings, and by extension your life, press that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep up with more empowering content. First, we focus on affirmations of gratitude. Gratitude affirmations are powerful expressions that remind us of the good in our lives. They help us appreciate the simple yet significant things that we often overlook. These affirmations can shift our focus from what's missing or wrong to what's abundant and right. Let's dive into a few examples. As I recite each affirmation, feel free to repeat them, absorbing their essence. Here's the first one. I am deeply thankful for the gift of life. Next, I am grateful for the love and support I receive from those around me. Finally, I appreciate the opportunities that today brings, and I am ready to seize them. Each of these affirmations stirs a sense of thankfulness within us, bringing to light the abundance that exists in our day-to-day lives. Repeating these affirmations helps us start our day on a positive note. Remember, gratitude is the first step towards a positive day. Next, let's delve into affirmations of self-love. It's an essential aspect of our well-being that often gets overlooked, yet it's as vital as the air we breathe. Self-love affirmations are our way of reminding ourselves that we are deserving of love, kindness, and respect, not only from others, but most importantly, from ourselves. Let's explore some examples, and as we go through them, I invite you to repeat after me. I love and accept myself just the way I am. I am deserving of happiness and success. Today, I choose to be kind to myself and others. See how empowering that feels? It's a reassurance, a promise that you make to yourself every day. Remember, the journey to self-love is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a daily practice, an affirmation that you are worthy, you are enough, just as you are. Self-love is crucial, and affirmations help us remember that. Finally, we explore affirmations of positivity. These affirmations are designed to help you cultivate a mindset of optimism, happiness, and resilience. By repeating these statements, you're inviting positivity into your life, making a conscious choice to see the world through a lens of optimism. Let's try a few together. Breathe deeply and repeat these words. I am a magnet for positivity. I attract joy, love, and success into my life. Every situation I encounter is an opportunity for growth and learning. Next, let's affirm. I choose to see the good in all things. Positivity is my natural state. I am in control of my happiness. And finally, I radiate positivity and happiness. I am surrounded by love, and every day I grow stronger and more resilient. These affirmations are your daily reminders that positivity is within your control. You can choose to see the good in every situation, to be a beacon of joy and resilience. Positivity is a choice, and these affirmations help us make that choice every day. Now, it's time to create your personal affirmations. Personalization is a powerful element that significantly enhances the effectiveness of affirmations. When you tailor an affirmation to align with your individual goals and aspirations, you inherently add a layer of personal relevance that heightens your connection to the affirmation. Think of it as designing a tailor-made suit that perfectly fits you, unlike a one-size-fits-all garment. The suit, custom-made, not only fits better but also imbues a sense of confidence and self-assurance, which is exactly what personalized affirmations do. Begin by identifying your goals. These could be related to any aspect of your life: personal growth, relationships, career, health, or even spiritual development. Your goals will guide the creation of your affirmations, making them more meaningful and impactful. Next, frame these goals into positive present tense statements. Remember, affirmations are not about wishful thinking. They are about firmly believing and stating that your desired reality is here, now. So if your goal is to become more confident, your affirmation could be, I am confident and self-assured. Make sure your affirmations are clear and concise. Brevity is key here. The more succinct your affirmation, the easier it is to remember and repeat. Also, infuse your affirmations with emotion. When you feel the emotion, your mind is more likely to accept the affirmation as truth. Finally, make your affirmations a part of your daily routine. Consistency is crucial. Repeat your affirmations every morning or whenever you need a quick boost. Over time, you'll notice that these affirmations become a part of your subconscious, influencing your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your reality. In essence, the power of affirmations lies in their ability to reshape your beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors, aligning them with your aspirations. They serve as a compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. Your personal affirmations will help you connect deeper and stay motivated. So, go ahead, create your personal affirmations and embark on a journey towards a happier, more fulfilled you. Let's recap the power of positive morning affirmations. Today, we've journeyed through the transformative world of affirmations, starting with gratitude affirmations, where we learned to appreciate the simple things in life and the opportunities each day brings. We then explored the realm of self-love affirmations, which taught us the importance of acknowledging our worth and choosing kindness towards ourselves and others. Next, we dived into positivity affirmations, inviting joy, love, and a positive outlook into our lives. Lastly, we discussed crafting personal affirmations, tailoring these positive statements to our unique goals and aspirations, thereby adding a deeper sense of connection and motivation. Remember, the magic of affirmations lies in their consistent practice. By making them a daily ritual, we can transform our mindset and overall well-being, setting the stage for a happy and fulfilling life. Stay positive, make every morning a happy one, and don't forget to share your favorite affirmation in the comments below.